Hi guys, welcome to Coding Beetle, and here I am with another program solution from Coding Bat. So the next program is icyHot. Let's see what it says. Given to temperature, return true if one is less than 0 and the other is greater than 100. So here we can see here 120 is more than 100 and -1 is less than 0, so it is returning true. And the next also -1 and 120, it is returning true, or else the first number is more than 0 and the second number is more than 100, so it is satisfying only one condition, so it is returning false. So let's do it. First we will check the first number, means the first temperature, so that will be temperature 1 should be less than 0 and temperature 2 should be more than 100, or temperature 1 should be more than 100 and temperature 2 should be less than 0. And I will put this all within an extra parenthesis to get away from any kind of error. And if these conditions satisfies, then we will return true, else we will return false. And here what I am doing is, first I am checking the temperature 1 and 2, that temperature 1 is less than 0 and temperature 2 is more than 100, or I am checking second time, that is temperature 1 is more than 100 and temperature 2 is less than 0, so then we are returning true, else we are returning false. So let's see if we are correct or what. So here you can see we have done successfully, and our program is absolutely correct, and we have passed all the tests that was given to our program. So if you have any doubts in understanding in any program, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care.